Understanding topsoil, a key element in our environment. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll explore a very interesting term used in both gardening and environmental science, topsoil. Understanding this word is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about appreciating an essential component of our Earth's ecosystem. So, let's dig in. Topsoil refers to the uppermost layer of soil. This layer is usually the most fertile and has the highest concentration of organic matter and nutrients beneficial for plant growth. It's typically darker than the layers below due to this richness in organic material. Topsoil plays a crucial role in agriculture and the natural environment. In this section, let's delve into the key characteristics of topsoil. Fertility, it's rich in nutrients essential for plant growth. Texture. Topsoil can vary in texture, from sandy to clayey, depending on the location. Depth. The depth of topsoil can vary significantly, affecting its capacity to support plant life. Organic content. It contains decomposed plant and animal matter, which enhances soil quality. Why is topsoil so important? 1. Agriculture. It's vital for growing crops, as it contains the nutrients plants need. 2. Ecosystems. Topsoil supports various ecosystems, providing a habitat for numerous organisms. 3. Water filtration. It helps in filtering and storing rainwater. 4. Preventing erosion. Topsoil plays a role in preventing soil erosion by wind and water. Unfortunately, topsoil faces several threats. Erosion. Wind and water can erode topsoil, especially if it's not protected by vegetation. Pollution. Chemicals and pollutants can degrade its quality. Overuse. Intensive farming practices can deplete topsoil nutrients. Here are some ways to protect and conserve topsoil. Sustainable farming practices. Using methods like crop rotation and reduced tillage. Planting trees and grass. They help hold the soil in place. Reducing chemical use. Using fewer chemicals in agriculture and gardening. I hope this video has shed light on the importance of topsoil and why we need to protect this precious resource. Understanding terms like these not only helps us in learning English but also in understanding crucial environmental concepts. Remember, every word we learn is a step towards better communication and a deeper understanding of the world around us. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.